To set up and use iCloud Photos on Windows PC. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In this guide video, I'll walk you through the steps on how can you use iCloud Photos on Windows PC. To use iCloud Photos, you need to download and install iCloud for Windows app from the Microsoft Store. So sign in with your Apple ID. So for that, first of all, go to your Microsoft Store. And once you are taken to this page, what you want to do is you want to simply look for an iCloud. So when you locate the application, you want to click on the install button. So here you want to click on get, after which it's going to install it. So wait patiently until you get started. After you've actually installed it, so then you could access your photos in a file explorer or Microsoft. So you need to open the iCloud for Windows app, sign in with your Apple ID. Next to the iCloud Photos, click the arrow and turn on iCloud Photos. After you've actually done it, so optionally select download high efficiency, format photos and videos, and download HDR videos. If you want to access your iCloud share albums, turn on shared albums as well and click on the done button. So open up the file explorer, which is here, and then you could actually find it in the downloaded section right over here, the photos. So after you open up the file explorer here, you could find iCloud, then you could go ahead and open it up and navigate the plan. So that is how it works. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.